Hey loves, so I just woke up. Like, if you can't see, my face is swollen. So I just woke up. I have a busy day today in school. I have lectures from 9. I have one 9 to 12, and I have the other one from 1 to 6, which is 1 to 4, which is practical. So like my day is going to be hectic, and I'm already dreading today because I know that it's going to be a whole lot. So today I'm filming a day in my life in uni. If you didn't know, I'm studying cosmetic science, so today we have like lab works. So I just want to show you through my day. So come and enjoy my day with me, guys. Okay, so my class is by 9, so it's like a few minutes past 7. It's still dark. Let me show you guys. Look at the weather. It's still dark. It feels like I should go back to bed, but I can't. That is how bad it is. Say loves, I just want to prepare myself for school. Just do a few things. I always tidy up before I go to school, so before I leave my house. So I just want to do like quick things and get ready for school. Yeah, so I want to take you through my day. So let's go, guys.
So loves, as usual in the morning, I'm going to the restroom to do the usual business. And next up, I'll be tidying my room. So I'll be making my bed, tidying up the house in general. So I'll just be picking up any clothes around the house, just making sure the house is just tidy before I leave. So when I come back, everywhere is looking good and it's okay for me. Like, I don't want to come back home feeling tired and my room is in a mess. I always like a tidy space. So that's what I'm just doing here. Next, I'll be brushing my teeth. So normal. There's nothing to talk about. That's just normal brushing of teeth. Yeah, so it's shower time. I like having my bath in the morning especially if I'm going out. So just time to have my shower, and after then I'll be making tea, for the morning because it's pretty much cold. It's like about 3 degrees this morning. So I just want to make a cup of tea just to keep me warm before I head out, because I know that outside is going to be like crazily cold. So that's what I'm just doing here. So for me, it's too early in the morning to eat, so I'll be grabbing an apple like to hold me as I'm going out.
Okay, love, so I'm prepared for school. I'll just spray my perfume. This is my Jimmy Choo. And my bag is already packed, so let me show you. Bag is already packed for school. I have my lab coat and my laptop. So this is my lab coat and my laptop. Where is it? It's a few minutes past 8 now, and I just want to start heading out. We have a school bus that can pick you for free around here, so I'll just walk to the bus station to enter the free school bus that is headed to school. So yeah, that's what I want to do now, because I'm already, like, for me, my house to the bus station is like, the bus stop is like 10 minutes, so let me just start walking so I'll be able to get to school on time.
So this is me leaving my house now, and I'm heading to St. Peter's campus, where the bus stop I'll be taking my free bus to school is at. So we have 2 campuses in school. So we have the one at St. Peter's and we have the one in City Center. So I'm going to this one in St. Peter's is very close to my house, so that's where I'm going to grab my bus. So I'm at St. Peter's, but I'm still walking to the bus stop. That is the church, St. Peter's Church. I just got off the bus and I'm heading towards the library. I'm waiting for my friend. Look at her there. She's trying to look for me so that we can meet up. Look at this crazy girl. We'll try to meet her up so we can go to our class.
Good morning. Alpha.
Ade, how are you?
I'm fine.
I missed you.
Please, let's go to class. So guys, I'm in school now. I'm just heading to my classroom now. Yep.
Look at your girl trying to feel herself. I'm dying of cold. Look at me trying to feel myself.
So the money we don't work.
So our lecturer was still here, but we were basically done with our first class by 12, and it's time for our second class, which is the lab work that we have to do. So so we were on our way for our second class, which is a lab section at the science complex, because of course I said I'm studying cosmetic science, so we had like a lab session today. So I'm just working with my friends. I'm going to the science complex, which is the building you see there. And as we were going, we were complaining about how things are expensive compared to our country's currency. We're kind of evaluating like, oh, a pound is this amount. So it was just crazy. It was just a funny moment while going to our lab class. At this point, Charles, my classmate, was just tired of me because I've been filming since morning. He was like, okay, you've been filming since morning. So this is our lab section. I can't film a lot, so I'll just show you a few clips. Oof, finally we're done with lectures and lab for today. It's time to head home. Everyone is going home.
Hey loves, so this is 4:30 p.m. and it's already dark. I'm through my classes, my lab, everything. I just dropped at the bus stop and I'm heading home. I'm just walking down. My house is not really far from the bus stop. So yeah, I'm so cold. Really cold. So I'm back home. If you see my face, you know that I am exhausted. I am drained from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. It's a lot. And the cold is crazy, so I'm really tired. I just have to fix up something and eat and have my bath, and I think I'll just rest for the night. So food is here. I ordered food. I'm so tired, like real tired. I can't even cook. I ordered food. I ordered Chinese. Is it Chinese rice? Chinese rice with salt and pepper chili, something like that. I ordered chicken fried rice and this chicken salt and pepper chili. I love it. It's really, really nice. So guys, let me just eat. Once I eat, I'll just relax and sleep. I'm tired. Hey loves, come on, join me. So that's it, loves, for this video. I just wanted to show you like what my day
can be like. Today is a stressful one. Every day is not like this, but today is a stressful one. And I couldn't film a lot in the lab because I'm not allowed to, so I just had to shoot like a few places, and I was hiding to do that. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just showed you a day in my life. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. Please don't forget to watch this video I'm going to leave in the screen. That is going to be my Primark video, my Primark Christmas video when I went to Primark to see like if they have some Christmas things. So if you want to see what it's in Primark for this Christmas, just check out that video. I showed you some things you can get on Primark. So thank you guys for watching this video. Till my next video, guys. Bye.